There we go. They said it's a room upgrade. Let's find out.
Upgrade ba
Come
talaga?
in. Welcome to my crib.
Upgrade ba talaga?
Lights on. This is the hallway. This is the banyo. Banyo. This is
wala.
the
Wala.
Neighbor. Ta-da! This is my...
Wow.
Yun na lang yung sinabi.
Ba talaga?
Napawaw daw.
Oh, we can share this. A lot
Oh
of
my goodness, meron pa
a lot of World
Bago
of
tayo pumunta sa bedroom.
a lot of World of Hyatt members are asking what does the suite look
Oh,
like
yeah,
here. So
yeah.
we can share this. That's what we-
It's vlog time!
That's an old school refrigerator.
At saka, ang laki niya ha? Pang party fridge. Aka, baba ko yung gamit ko.
What else is here?
Let's do a
Room tour.
room tour.
Oh, that's where I'm.
Ito, neighboring
Try it.
naman ta. Oh yeah, neighboring.
Workplace. This is where I'm gonna work
Meron ka pang office area.
because I need to work.
Ala, ano to? Parang walang istorbo dito ka.
Yep, I need
We
to
have
work.
a dining area. My gosh, I wish we have the kids with us.
That's why I trial too, because we're gonna
Trial.
we're gonna bring them here.
Tapos we have our sala and our very own.
Wala yan.
Hindi maganda yung view.
Parking lot.
Meron ka.
That's where we charge our car.
Oo.
Here, I see our car there.
Sige.
Balcony.
We got a balcony. Ooh, oh, ang lakas ko. Ayan o. The balcony, you see our car, it's parked all the way there in the corner. I think, tama ba ako?
Yeah, yan. Yung sa charge. The one's charging there.
And then, kung nasisikipan ka pa dito, may isa pa tayo.
You can, sa atin din yan.
Parang hindi tayo makakadaan. Another extra balcony. A nice view of the mountain. Ano nga bang lugar to?
Palm Springs.
Palm Spring Mountains. There and there. One more.
Ito yung rare vlog na ikaw ang sinusundan. Usually kami at mga bata.
Oo nga eh. Ganun talaga kapag ka ano. Ay set yung camera natin.
Ikaw ang bida.
Yan.
Bida ang saya.
Next, we have our bar. What's in our bar? Keurig, and that's it. Empty cabinets. Bago tayo pumunta sa bedroom, i-expose na natin. Oh, you have your own
Microwave.
Galans microwave. This is it. We're heading to the master's bedroom. The bedroom.
Pero the bedroom is only one bed, right?
Yeah.
If you have kids, where are they gonna sleep?
King size bed for the bedroom.
Kailangan siksikan lang.
Ha? Ano, I think yung
The sofa bed can be
sofa
changed.
bed, it's always sofa bed.
Okay, the bathroom. Dalawa yung bathroom.
Oh, there's another bathroom.
So,
Dito muna tayo. Here's our third balcony, another view of the mountains and the parking lot. And then, second bathroom or the master's bathroom is right here. Turn on the lights. Saan ba yung lights?
Yun.
Ayan. Meron ka pang sarili mong vanity mirror. A closet made for a queen. Ta-da! And the master's bathroom. Diba? Ano pa bang gusto mong i-share ko sa'yo?
that's it.
Tadadin! Tadadin!
And
Ito syempre the toilet room. Alam na natin. The throne. You know where the throne is? Hindi ka maliligaw. They use, anong brand nila? Pharmacopoeia Natural Body Care Products. You get your own TV in the bathroom. Trivia, our television in our bathroom too sa bahay namin sa Vegas. Like Kerwin got those idea from the hotels. Kasi nakikita niya na yung mga hotels, merong TV in the bathroom. So, ginawa din niya sa bahay namin. Alright, that's it. That's the end of our room tour. Thank you for watching. Labas ka na. Labas ka na. Tapos ayusin mo ulit yung camera natin. Yan. Para naman maganda tayo. Sige. Go, go. I need my privacy. You can stay here. Kerwin will see you. Bye-bye.
bye.
Sumagot ng bye.